Imagine if you could tap into a cutting-edge solution that almost nobody else is using. A new shortcut that can put your affiliate links in front of unlimited hungry buyers on their way to the buy button. If you're sick and tired of struggling to get results online, listen up, because we have the perfect system for you. It's simple and logical. Think about this. Being successful in affiliate marketing is about attracting as many real buyers as we can to our affiliate link, right? We also know that each buyer, before buying any product, consults some reviews to be sure of what he is buying. It is logical. Nobody buys blindly. Nobody wants to risk their money buying something without finding out what it is. That's why review sites and articles about products are visited massively by hungry buyers with money in hand. They just want to make a last consultation, verify last details of the product they are considering, and that's the place you want to be. Since every single product review, every article about a product contains the site owner's affiliate link, this guy earns a whopping 50% in commissions for every review clicked, automatically. The problem is that building a cool review site and publishing reviews of every new product involves a lot of research and analysis, writing of content, design, putting all together, and messing around with tech stuff. Now, having understood that this is a major source of frustration for beginners, we got to work to find a new and easy solution. Bye-bye empty affiliate accounts. You've never been this close to financial freedom. Now we are giving you a secret tool, which easily replicates the strategies and results used by super affiliates for banking big commissions. Introducing Scrape-It, the world's first click and review site marketing software. Scrape-It gets you passive commissions by taking advantage of massive traffic from buyers with money in hand. And with Scrape-It, you don't need to do anything tedious, tiring, or boring. Zero tech stuff. It's just point and click. This is the answer to your conversion problems. Scrape-It is unique. Nothing like this has ever been done before. Simply activate the software and you're ready to go. You also get integrated list building systems so that you can make money and grow customer lists at the same time. And there's a lot more under the hood. But the true beauty of this software is in its simplicity. Everything's done for you. The sky's the limit. And because your success is the only thing that matters, you're covered by our professional support team and a complete step-by-step video training. So you're probably thinking that this unique software is very expensive. It would be easy to charge you $97 a month for this. After all, it's 100% new, untapped, and fresh. But we won't, because we want to level the playing field so that you too can get results. So during the exclusive launch period, we're doing something very special. That means you're not going to pay $47 a month, even $37 a month. You won't have to pay monthly at all. By hitting the button below right now, you'll get instant access to Scrape-It for a heavily discounted one-time only price. But it gets better. When you act now, you also get 4 money-making bonuses worth thousands, absolutely free. You can see the details below. To make this a total no-brainer for you, there's absolutely zero risk. That's because we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. The only way you can lose is if you don't act on this incredible deal right now. But you must act fast because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you wait, you'll pay more. So if you want to use the world's first marketing software that scrapes passive income directly into your bank account, then click the button below right now to unlock your discount and get instant access to Scrape-It. Act now to take advantage of this launch deal. Click below to lock in your discount immediately. Thank you and welcome to Scrape-It.